this is Kalpana here. So in this video we are going to see a property from properties of determinants. So let's get started. Statement. The value of the determinant remains unaltered if the rows are changed into columns and columns into rows. Okay. I repeat, the value of the determinant remains unaltered. That means the value of the determinant will not change if the rows are changed into columns and columns into rows. If the rows are changed into columns and columns are changed into rows, the value of determinant remains unaltered. Okay, proof. Let delta equals to determinant of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay. Which is equals to A1 into det B2, C2, B3, C3 plus minus B1 into A2, C2, A3, C3 plus C1 into A2, B2, A3, B3. So this is equals to A1 into B2 C3 minus B2 into C3 is B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 into A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 into A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Okay. So this is equals to A1 B2 C3 minus A1 B3 C2 minus B1 into A2 C3 A2 B1 C3 minus into minus plus A3 B1 C2 plus C1 into A2 B3 is A2 B3 C1 minus plus into minus is minus C1 into A3 B2 is A3 B2 C1. Okay, so we have delta equals to A1 B2 C3 minus A1 B3 C2 minus A2 B1 C3 plus A3 B1 C2 plus A2 B3 C1 minus A3 B2 C1. Okay, now we are going to change rows into columns or columns into rows. See, we are given if the rows are changed into columns and columns into rows. If this row is changed into column, let delta 1 equals to det changing this row to column. So row 1 becomes column 1, row 2 becomes column 2. Row 3 becomes column 3. Okay, likewise, column 1 becomes row 1, column 2 becomes row 2, column 3 becomes row 3. Okay, so this is equals to plus minus plus. So plus A1 into, okay, that B2, B3. So we have to write that of the elements excluding the row and the column containing A1. Okay, excluding the row containing A1 and the column containing A1. So you'll get B2, B3, C2, C3. Okay, minus, you have to change the signs alternatively. Okay, so you'll get minus A2 into, now excluding the column and row containing A2. You have to write the elements excluding the row and column containing A2. So you'll get B1, B3, C1 and C3. B1, B3, C1, C3 plus A3 into B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay, so this is equals to A1 into B2 into C3 minus B3 into C2 minus A2 into B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus A3 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay. So we have delta 1 equals to, we'll get delta 1 equals to A1 into B2 C3 is equals to A1 B2 C3 plus into minus is minus A1 into A1 B3 C2. A1 into B3 C2 is A1 B3 C2 minus into plus minus. So A2 into B1 C3 is A2 B1 C3 minus into minus plus A2 into B3 C2 is B3 C1, sorry. A2 B3 C1 plus into plus is plus. A3 into B1 C2 is A3 B1 C2 plus into minus minus. A3 into B2 C1 is A3 B2 C1. Okay. So, now compare these two. Here you're having A1 B2 C3, right? Find where you'll get A1 B2 C3. So here is your A1 B2 C3. Good. So next you're having A1 B3 C2. A1 B3 C2 minus A1 B3 C2. Okay. Minus A2 B1 C3. A2 B1 C3 minus. So you're also having this. Next A2 B3 C1. A2 B3 C1 plus A2 B3 C1. So you're having this. Next A3 B1 C2. A3 B1 C2 minus A3 B2 C1 minus A3 B2 C1. So this equals to delta. Okay, or you can write it as, now take A1 common. I'll show you. Minus, take A2 common. So minus of B1 C3, A2 into B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus A3 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay. See, now you're having A1 into B2 C3 minus B3 C2. A1, this is your A1, right? So excluding the row containing A1 and column containing A1, you're having B2, C2, B3 and C3. So B2 into C3 is B2, C3 minus C2, B3, that is B3, C2 I can say, okay, minus A2. So you have to close the row containing A2 and the column containing A2. So you'll be getting B1 C1 B3 C2 determinant of B1 C1 B3 C3 is B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus A3. So close the row containing A3 and column containing A3. So we'll be getting determinant of B1 C1 B2 C2, B1 C2 minus B2 C1, right? So this is equals to obviously delta. Okay. Or you can write it as A1 into det B2 B3 C2 C3. Okay. You'll get B2 into C3 minus C3. B2 into C3 minus C3 into B2 minus A2 into B1 B3 C1 C3 plus A3 into det B1 B2 C1 C2. See? Okay. A2 B1 C2 B3 C3 and coming to A1 B2 C3 B3 C3. Okay. So this is a delta. So therefore delta 1 is equals to delta, which means that the determinant after changing the rows, after changing the rows into columns and columns into rows will not alter. Okay. Delta 1 equals to delta. Therefore, delta 1 equals to delta. Delta 1 is nothing but change in determinant. That means we have changed rows into columns and columns into rows, right? So we have named it as delta 1 and we got delta 1 equals to delta, the same determinant which we have considered earlier. Okay. Fine. Therefore, the value of the determinant therefore the value of determinant remains unaltered when the rows are changed into columns and columns are changed into rows. Okay, so this completes the proof. Hope you will understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.